So this question mentions the words inversely proportional. So we recognise that inversely proportional has the graph like that. So as one variable increases, the other variable decreases, and every coordinate on here has to multiply together to give us a constant. So this is about p and t. So p is inversely proportional to t. There's no t squared or anything, just t. So basically what we're saying is that this will have a coordinate tp, and t times p will equal a constant. So that's basically what this is talking about. So we write down the relationship. So p is inversely proportional, means the reciprocal, so 1 over t. And we want to find the proportionality constant, so it's going to be k over t. So the proportionality constant times the inverse relationship, 1 over t. Rearrange this to find the k value, the proportionality constant. So divide by t moves across by timesing. So we end up with the k value is p times the t value. So the p value happens to be 12, and the t value we're given is 4, so that's 48. So we now have a formula that relates these two variables. So we now, by replacing the k value, know that the p value is found by doing 48 divided by the t value. So basically, anywhere on this graph, take the coordinate values, multiply them together, you'll always get an answer of 48. And it says find the value of p when t is 6. So we know what the value of t is. So basically we're going to say that the p value is 48 divided by the t value, which was 6, and 48 divided by 6 is 8. So our t value there is going to be 8. So proportionality, key idea is to write down the relationship, change it into an equals by putting the proportionality constant in the right place, find the k value by rearranging the formula and replacing with the values that the question gave us, and once we've got that value of k, put it back into the original relationship to find the formula, and then once you have the formula you then use it. So it's kind of a rubric really. Find k, create formula, use it. That's what proportionality tends to come down to. Find the k value, the proportionality constant, create the formula from finding that, and then use it. Sometimes you've got to rearrange it. For example, if they'd said what a p value was and they wanted a t value, then we'd have to rearrange this to make t the subject. But it's generally the same kind of process all the time with proportionality.